why isn't web development enough? Why do we even have mobile app development in the first place? Let's try to see the architecture of Android. Let's try to also extrapolate an architecture where, let's say, Android was built in a different way. The architecture on the left that you see is what we have as of today. You have the bare metal at the bottom, which is the hardware. Then you have kernel and drivers on top of it, which control the hardware. Then you have a hardware abstraction layer, which abstracts out the entire kernel. Then you have native libraries along with the runtime. Then you have API framework. And then on top of it, you have the Android apps. Now, on the right side, you have a similar architecture. It's just that instead of having the Android apps, you have a browser running there along with the JavaScript V8 engine. And on top of the browser, you have multiple web apps that are running. If we go back to 2007, 2006, when Android was being built, at least the first version, the first thing or the main thing that you should note is that browsers were not advanced. They were very primal. Like no one really thought about making an OS for a browser.